dude cutting up crazy. Oh! Oh! Oh, his car sounds nasty. Oh my God, nah, his car beats mine for sure. Yo, what is good, YouTube? Got y'all another POV. Y'all see the ambient lighting? We looking clean, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Listen, man, I got an intake, right? I got the intake. I put the intake in and I got a mass airflow error code. So I think I'm gonna just replace the mass airflow sensor. Bro, what is happening here? Cause it's causing oh, this dude almost just hit me. Car smell like straight exhaust, bruh. Gotta replace the mass airflow sensor. I already bought one. I think it's like gone bad. So right now I shouldn't be driving the way I am, but it's cool because I'm about to replace it Monday when they come in. Hopefully it fixes both throttle response. And so yeah. But I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy the POV. We just gonna chill. Nothing crazy. Cutting up crazy. Oh! Oh! Oh, his car sounds nasty. Yo, if I had my GoPro, bro, I would definitely try to. Hold on, I gotta put this down. Hold on. Bro, we in a sea of traffic, bro. Can't even do nothing. Ooh, and it's a cop. Ooh. Crazy word. He turned off his signal. Bruh, me and this dude just had a revving match, bruh. Should have recorded it, but nobody be in my car sound, bro. My sound's crazy, bro. But I gotta chill, though. I do gotta chill. I'm gonna turn my burbles down. They're not gonna be as loud anymore. Kind of getting annoyed of it, bro. It's a little deep. Bro, look at this crash. This joint is crazy. I just don't understand why we get all this traffic. Dang. Oh my God, nah, his car beats mine for sure. His car is loud. Yo, his don't beat mine for sure. Is that white beat? I gotta take an exit. I don't even know which one it is. That was my exit, bruh. Ah! I'm gonna let him pass me. Go for it. Bro, what am I doing? Yeah, I will never make it back to my destination. Like, dead. I'm dead serious, bruh. Bro, this is my second U-turn, bro. Ah! That's cool. I need the content anyway, gang. I need the content anyway, bro. It's all cool. It's all cool. Yo, I gotta lock in. I missed my exit like twice already, so I gotta get back. But this is nice. You know what I'm saying? If I had my GoPro, this would be a lot smoother. Like, I feel like I could just cruise hands free. This person got no headlights. I mean, no lights on. As I was saying, right now I got my mass airflow sensor. It's ordered right now, so it should be on its way. And yeah, we're gonna swap the old one out, put the new one in. Hopefully it fixes and balances everything out. So I mean, I didn't change my sparks, my coils, fix the intercooler, charge pipe, boost pipe. So the mass airflow sensor is one of the last things I'm gonna do, and then before I just take my car to go get smoke tested, because I mean, I don't know what else. It says electrical wiring with the mass airflow sensor, so that's what we finna do. We finna see if that fixes the problem, and yeah, once we get that sensor fixed, I'll put back in the intake, and then I'll give y'all some intake sounds, see what it sounds like. Before, it's super hard to put that intake in, that first initial pipe, but yeah. I'm thinking about turning my burbles down, but I don't know what's a good, some good burble settings, like some calm. I probably might run an 8 aggression, maybe. I think I'm gonna switch it up, because I already turned my duration down. I used to have it high, but I turned it down like a while ago. So probably the next video I'll have some new burble settings. Probably won't be as loud, but it will be like clean, nice. Then I'll probably get y'all some chill POVs and you know, some night POVs with the LEDs, and then I mean, yeah. 𝘍30 328𝘐 that's the mass airflow circuit or something. It's like they got messed up, or it's like, I don't know, that's a code, but I'm not sure. Y'all, I just hope my car's pushing like maximum power after I change the sensor. Hopefully. Or it could just be a vacuum tube leak. I don't know, a vacuum line leak. But other than that, I don't know. This has to fix it. Because I know mass airflow sensors don't give error codes. They don't give no type of error codes to let you know that it's going out or bad. But I mean, it happened randomly, so I don't know. Maybe replacing it will fix it. I hope so. I've looked in like so many forums. They all said like, okay, they replaced theirs. It was faulty or something and gave no code. So it makes sense that it could be what I'm experiencing, but it could not be. I don't even know why people just brake in the middle of the road. Yo, he just braked and no one's in front of him, and then hop back in the lane. Like he's hopping lane to lane. What is he doing? Oh, he's a troll. trying to collect that check. What was... And then the guy that was in front of me just got over. So what is he doing, man?
Alright, YouTube, appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. We out.